All right, so we've got a couple things going on here. We're looking at our face frame rails and our face frame stiles. These are those pieces. It's really important they're cut at the same thickness. So they've been planed down to 3/4 thick all the way across here, so we're gonna get good joints. Notice I've got two little lines written on here. That's gonna help us for when we go to the screw pocket machine next. To turn on the screw pocket machine, it runs off of air. And so that must be on right there. Now we're gonna come over here to our Craig screw pocket machine. The on-off button is back here. Okay, you have to push that green button and you'll notice this is gonna jump up. There we go. Now this thing is on and we're ready to go. These two red lines and line it up with the little line on the machine there. Next, we need to bring it all the way back until it's touching the fence and flush. Okay, it's gonna be a perfect right angle degree right there. With my hand holding there, would you actually grab this here? My fingers are out of the way. With my foot, can you see my foot? I'm gonna press and release. And you see a couple things happen right there. You saw that clamp go down when I hit that button? That made us a pocket hole. That made the one on the right. So now I'm gonna do the one on the left. Tap and release. Okay, it's not magic. That's drilling two holes. If I grab a piece of scrap here, you guys can see what's actually happening. Okay, I'm not gonna line up completely over that line, but watch when I tap this button here. We see that drill bit come up. So no hands under there. You guys see the error I'm about to make here? My pocket holes have to be facing down. Okay, I'm gonna try and keep these a little bit more centered for you here. There's one. I can just slide this over too. I gotta keep about a ½ inch away from either edge. That's what we wanna see on a face frame. Next step is we will head to the clamping table. All right, so we've got our pocket holes cut into our face frame. Just to clamp them up, we're gonna come over here in the router mill. And our face frame clamping machine runs off of air, so this must be plugged in. Our clamping machine is right here. This is going to ensure that we've got a square face frame. And I honestly don't know the reason why, but when face frames are put together, they're put together upside down. And maybe it's because we got to account for drawer space. And I've got a couple of these face frame drawer spacers ready to go. We're going to need a couple other things. We're going to need a drill and pocket hole screws. And hopefully there's somewhere smart around here where you can see them. This gantry slides along here. It's going to import about 100 pounds of force down right here. Get right in here if you can. I'm going to hit this button right here, and that is locked in there. That is locked in there tight, okay? So with my pocket hole screw, a few things on the drill. The drill should be set to somewhere around 10, and the speed is set at 1. We've got a square drive drill, and I just like to make little pulses when I go in, all right? Letting the drill do the work. I'm probably going a little faster than you will. You guys hear that? That's the clutch engaging. That's when we want to stop. Grab another screw. We should have 2 pocket screws. We're not using any glue. If this was a professional cabinet job, you might want to consider using glue. But because this is, after all, high school woodshop class, we are just going to use screws in case we make a mistake. I'm going to come around here to the side. And I'm just going to put one in here so that this student has got to do something for this project. Okay. But one should be good enough for me to flip this around. I won't need the spacer anymore. grab my other piece. And now it's as simple as doing the other 4 screws.